In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is your hub for chat, meetings, files, and teamwork, all in one place. We'll walk through signing in, creating or joining a team, organizing your work with channels, sharing files, scheduling meetings, and a few simple ways to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. First, let's get you into the app. On Windows, open the Start menu and choose Microsoft Teams. On a Mac, head to your Applications folder and open Teams. If you prefer not to install anything, go to teams.microsoft.com in your web browser, or download the mobile app from your App Store. Sign in using your Microsoft 365 username and password. If you see more than one organization, pick the one you use for work or school. Once you're in, you're ready to collaborate. To create your first team, look to the Teams area and click Join or Create a Team at the bottom. Choose Create Team, then decide whether to build it from scratch or use an existing Microsoft 365 group. Give your team a clear name and short description. Choose whether it should be private, so members are invited, or public, so people in your organization can find it. You can add members right away or skip and do that later. If you're joining an existing team, click Join or Create a Team again. Enter a team code if one was shared with you, or browse available teams that you're allowed to join and request access. Once approved, it will appear in your Teams list. Inside each team, you'll see channels that organize conversations and files by topic or project. Every team starts with a general channel. To add more, click the three dots next to the team name and select Add Channel. Use names that make it obvious what belongs there so everyone knows where to post. For quick conversations, start one-on-one or group chats. This is perfect for side discussions that don't need a full channel. Use at mentions to get someone's attention and keep messages focused. When it's time to share work, go to the Files tab in a channel. You can upload documents or create new ones, and collaborate in real time. Files here are stored in a SharePoint site tied to the team, so everyone has the latest version. To meet, open the calendar in Teams to schedule something for later, or choose Meet Now for an instant call. Add a title, invite attendees, set the date and time, and join when it's time. Finally, manage your workspace by right-clicking a team name to hide it or pin it to the top for quick access. And explore apps like Planner or Approvals to enhance collaboration right inside your channels. That's it. You're set to start working smarter in Microsoft Teams.